In this video, I'm going to show you the ChatGPT Agent Mode tutorial and review, walking you through how it works and why it's a game changer. ChatGPT Agent can research, write code, and take action online. To get started, enable Agent from the toolbar. You can also connect to any admin-approved connector to pull internal data, but for this demo, we'll just use the web. There's even a library of starter prompts to help you get going quickly. For example, let's imagine we're launching a fitness e-commerce brand. We'll ask ChatGPT Agent to search for e-commerce and health reports, gather key trends and articles in a spreadsheet, and sign up for a newsletter. We'll also have it analyze e-commerce growth, create charts in new tabs, build a business launch plan with formulas in another tab, and compile everything into a research report with visuals. While Agent can work for over 30 minutes, we'll request all of this in under 10. As soon as it starts, you'll see that ChatGPT Agent spins up a VM to write code, research, interact with websites, and create documents. It runs keyword searches, analyzes articles, and you can switch to Activity View to see its thought process. You can take over the browser or stop Agent at any time, giving you full control. Agent decides when to use tools like search, image generation, deep research, and operator, and you can interrupt or guide it if needed. Next, it opens a terminal to write Python code, and in desktop view you can watch it build the spreadsheet and visualizations. It can even interact with sign-up forms using operator. You can manually take over to input personal details, and then hand control back. In the end, Agent delivers a spreadsheet with relevant articles, e-commerce growth charts, a business plan calculator, and a full research report analyzing trends, success drivers, and projections, turning hours of work into minutes. Thanks for watching.